In the previous module, we covered the three primary systems used to legally describe land and real estate. These systems are metes and bounds, the rectangular survey system, and the lot and block system. Now let's apply those concepts using Arizona-style exam questions. These questions will help you recognize the different land description systems and understand how they appear on the real estate licensing exam. Let's begin. Question 1. Which land description system identifies property using directions, distances, and physical landmarks? A. Rectangular survey system. B. Lot and block system. C. Metes and bounds system. D. Township and section system. The correct answer is C. Metes and bounds. Metes and bounds describes property boundaries using directions and distances from one reference point to another. These reference points are often called monuments and may include natural features or survey markers. Let's try another question. Question 2. Which land description system divides land using principal meridians and baselines? A. Metes and bounds. B. Rectangular survey system. C. Lot and block system. D. Plat system. The correct answer is B. Rectangular survey system. This system, also known as the government survey system, divides land into townships and sections using a grid formed by principal meridians and baselines. Now let's review a question about subdivisions. Question 3. Which land description system is most commonly used in residential subdivisions? A. Metes and bounds. B. Rectangular survey system. C. Lot and block system. D. Township system. The correct answer is C. Lot and block system. This system references a recorded subdivision map, called a plat map, which identifies lots and blocks within a subdivision. Let's look at another concept related to the rectangular survey system. Question 4. How many sections are typically contained in one township in the rectangular survey system? A. 6 sections. B. 12 sections. C. 24 sections. D. 36 sections. The correct answer is D. 36 sections. A township is usually 6 miles by 6 miles and contains 36 sections. Each section contains approximately 640 acres. Let's try one more question. Question 5. Which document typically contains the map used in the lot and block system? A. Title report. B. Plat map. C. Survey certificate. D. Deed restriction. The correct answer is B. Plat map. A plat map shows the layout of lots and blocks within a subdivision and is recorded in public records to provide a legal reference for property boundaries. Understanding how these land description systems work will help you answer exam questions about property identification and legal descriptions. In part 3 of this topic, we'll review memory tools and exam shortcuts to help you quickly recognize land description systems on the Arizona real estate exam. If you're serious about becoming a licensed real estate agent in Arizona and want mentorship beyond just passing the exam, connect with me. I'm building a team of well-trained professionals who want to build their careers the right way.